Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to revert a commit after pushing. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically there is a way to revert your commits, and this is by going back to your older commits, and then you will be able to push the older commits so it can be the new one. And in this video I'm just going to do this using the GitHub desktop. So basically here I have this repository that I'm using, and let's just discard these changes, and basically we can go to history. So here we are, this is the current changes or the latest change, and basically let's suppose that we want to go back to this commit, and from here I'm just going to use the revert changes feature. I can simply right click on the commits that I want, and from here I will need to revert changes and commits. That means we will be back to these changes, and basically I'm just going to click revert changes, and of course that would create some uh, conflicts in my case since I'm going back to the same file. So basically, it will show me the current changes or the present changes and the past ones. So from here, I have these four lines that have been changed. And from here, you can start choosing whatever the changes you want to remain. So in my case, for example, the head is the current commit or the present one, and those who are the parents are the older commits. And here I'm just going to only select these ones, and from here you will need just to click on commit to main. So basically it will create a new commit that has the older changes, and then you can push them again by clicking on commit and then click on push, and you will have your changes that has been undone. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.